If you could give one piece of advice to any of these early stage leaders, what do you think that would be, Joshua?
So I should stay on brand and say like communications is your startups and Scaleups superpower. That would be great for message discipline. I won't say that. My one piece definitely would just be relax. You're not going to make smart decisions. And I'm sure you see this all the time when you are stressed and flustered and writing the emails while you're at your kids' soccer games or, running to catch a bus or whatever it is you do. You won't make the right or smart decision in that case. The best thing you could do, relax, breathe, walk around the block, go home and sleep on it. There are very, very few decisions in life, in business, that can't wait for the next morning. They can't wait for every morning to go by, but for the next morning for you to make a much more informed, not rushed decision. And most important, you will be more confident in it. Even if it's the same decision you would have made at the moment, you are now more confident.
Yeah, I love that. And, I'll take it one step further beyond decisions and bring it back to brand for you and say, you're unlikely to craft a communication that's worth reading if you're running for a bus with your phone in your hand and trying to thumb it into a keyboard or trying to watch your kid's soccer game.
Probably won't even be readable with how most of us type on our phones.
Exactly. If you get one of my texts that vaguely resembles English, you'll know I was doing what you just described.
Oh, yeah. We all are guilty of that.